Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can claim your Tether from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe. First of all, go to deposit, copy your Tether USDT wallet orders from here and come in this website. This website link available in description. Put your Tether wallet orders in here. And after putting your Tether wallet orders, just click login. And after login, just come down and click continue. Show you this dialog box, you can solve the capture. Okay, after solving this capture, just click the recapture and just click verify capture. And you can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. To this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in the description, and bye bye for now.